Hi, this is Adriana, and this video is for SalesVision Video Challenge 100 Day. And just to wish you happy 4th of July. On the background, I have, this is a beautiful park, and on the background there's, hopefully you can see it, Mission Bay. You can see a little bit. But I wish everybody a happy 4th of July. I hope everyone is enjoying your weekend. And remember, if you have business to promote or a product to sell, just look in the description down below. Just click, because you would get access to a free digital marketing agency, and there is a software where you can generate leads online in 4 simple steps. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.